My name is Anshuman and I am representing Sugatsune Kogyo India Private Limited, Indian subsidiary of the Japanese company Sugatsune Kogyo. Participating here at the India Woods is a pleasant and a good experience for us. Overall, the experience at India Wood has been really tremendous because we've got a good response on the first day, and today is the second day, and still we have got a wide number of visitors, a large number of visitors that have been visiting from all the categories, from architects, from manufacturers, from contractors, from dealers, and even from other states as well. India Woods has always been very supportive and very strong towards its exhibitors, not only business-wise, but also individually and personally. Actually, thankful to be a part and be associated with you all at India Woods. Hope to have a long and a fruitful association with you.